between this entire circle. Al-Zahar. Let's go. Oh, it's so loud. Damn, I don't think I'm gonna make this shit. I can't even see like my how fast I'm going anymore. Are you okay, Tech Raven? I'm not. I don't know if I understand the joke. You okay, buddy? You okay? Oh. I think one guy in here somewhere. Pretty sure he's in here somewhere. Yeah, I think he is. Nope. Next door. God, that felt so good. That felt so good. Oh my God. There's not a better feeling than just sneaking up on a lame camper like that. And just pa pa. Dead. I hope I can find a choke. Actually, I'm gonna keep looting this. Maybe I might get lucky. Ooh. Damn, no wonder he survived that long. Crazy. Damn, no one has chokes. I want to choke them for their choke. Oh, I think one of them had a helmet. I'm gonna need one. I just realized I don't even got one. You guys got a helmet? No? Shit, none of them got it. Alright. Let's keep looting up. Oh yeah, I didn't loot over here actually. Maybe find like a level 1 helmet or something. That'd be nice. Oh, excuse me. Definitely gonna use that foregrip for something. So why do they call it Tequila Sunrise? I'm not too sure why. Is that supposed to be a specific meaning for shotguns only, or? I mean, I don't know. Cause I wouldn't know. Uh-oh. You don't see me. Yes, it's better than nothing. Western phrase. Because it fucks you up. Okay, he doesn't have one either. I would much rather have S12s in this situation. Crazy, man. They're going nuts. Holy shit, they're going crazy. Yeah, I don't know. Ooh, a med kit? Do any of you guys have one? Hold it out on me right now, man. Damn, really is rare. It's that stinking rare. Ooh, I like this little trail up here. It's pretty cool. Oh, shit. Okay, you know what? I'm actually just gonna run. I'm gonna go the other way. He won't be able to do much of anything from this far. He's tickling my balls right now. So it's okay. He won't be able to do much. Is he actually... Boy! The hell you doing, man? Actually chasing me. You crazy, boy. You crazy, boy. Yeah, a nice little spot here, too. It's not a choke on the roof, you silly gun. I mean, you silly Billy. There's not even a gun up there. Those are 7.62 ammo. God, don't just call out something and you don't even know what it is. Because sunrise is the time of day. Okay. Cool. Okay, 10 seconds. All ass. Nah, I'm good. This does... Oh, that's beautiful. I love this game. This is gonna be very tough. If I run into a squad with no cover, they could just whittle my health down and I won't be able to do much to them at all. There's 14 people left. You know, that's gonna be one of the hardest things. If I don't have a choke, and there's like an entire team shooting at me from that angle, they could just keep chunking me down over and over again, and I won't be able to do anything. You know what I mean? That was kind of last second. Every time you win this way, you should take a shot. What? You can have vehicles in this game? You can have vehicles in this game? Or in this event? It's a little too much. Is it not? It might be a little bit too much. That guy was very confused. He didn't know what was happening. That guy was very confused. Okay, I'm taking that. He's rolling the S12s. That guy was very, very confused. He probably didn't know where it was coming from. I mean, I was hiding in a bush, and players do blend in with the background very, very well in this game. So they blend in well. Nah, it's all about the double barrel. Okay, level 2 vest is, I'm gonna notice that damage taken increase. So. Couple places to be as well. Better get a head start on the circle. Just gotta get a choke. Gotta get a choke and I'm good. I'll be as right as rain. Oh, a car flipped over, so there's probably somebody here. Gotta mean someone's here. Possibly not looted? Possible choke? Maybe. See. Is that a dude up there? No, it's like a light. It's like a electrical post or something. You know, I wouldn't be surprised if they just removed the chokes. Like, it would be... The first person that would get it would just tear everyone apart. It would tear everyone apart, man. Guess now we can chill. Let me just close all the doors here. Excuse me. I like how people are calling everything a choke. That's a choke right there, Grimmmz. You missed the choke. Listen to me, I'm right. I'm right all the time. Come on, chat. Chill. You needs to chill. You gotta chill. Yeah, they're having a fight. They're having a fight over there. I mean, I'm not too sure what I should do. I kind of don't want to be in a building, so. Oh, I should probably buff up here. They haven't finished each other yet. They haven't done it yet. Okay, let's go. Oh, I think I see him on the hill. I think. Yeah. Oh, wow. They're like just hanging out there. I wonder if I can get both of them. Wait, is that a working car that they're in? A working vehicle? Yeah, they are in a vehicle. Son of a bitch. They just drove. They just drove for the guy, I think. Oh, they ran him over. Why would they put vehicles in this? I don't get it. Why would they do that? Oh. Oh, I think he killed the driver. want to blow up that car. Goodbye. Team of two headed my way. Oh, fuck. That is scary. Run! Oh, shit. There they are right there. Okay, hold on. Let's become the push. Where'd they go? There he is, behind that rock. Right in front of me. Right there. It's right there. It's on me. Son. I'm gonna use this sub right now. He's back there. Let's see what he had. Oh, he had a level 3. Let's go, baby. Hit him once.